Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Merryking Translation Earbuds. Let's get started. First, make sure your Merryking earbuds are fully charged. Place them inside the charging case, connect the USB cable, and wait until the LED indicator shows that they are ready. To power them on, simply take the earbuds out of the case. They will automatically turn on and enter pairing mode. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings, look for Merryking earbuds in the device list, and tap to connect. Next, download the WooAsk translation app from the App Store or Google Play. Just search for WooAsk. This app enables real-time translation when using your earbuds. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your earbuds. Once paired, the app will automatically link with your Merryking earbuds. Now you're ready to translate. This makes communication smooth and natural, even if you don't share the same language. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.